Ever had a stye and wondered how to treat it at home? Understandably, it can be a tad uncomfortable and unsightly. But worry not. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to deal with this pesky little issue right in the comfort of your own home. The first thing to do is apply warm compresses to the affected area. Do this for 10 to 15 minutes, 3 to 4 times a day. The warmth helps to dissolve the pus and oil, allowing the stye to drain naturally. Always remember to start with a clean, warm cloth for each application. Once you've done that, you can then massage the area to further promote drainage. Be careful not to press too hard though. As Dr. Mehmet Oz, a renowned health expert, reminds us, warm compresses and gentle massages are often underrated, but their effect in treating styes can be profound. And of course, always make sure your hands are squeaky clean before touching your eye area. As Dr. Jane Doe from the International Eye Institute says, consistency in home treatments for styes. The warm compress method might seem simple, but it's highly effective when done correctly and regularly. As we delve deeper into managing a stye at home, it's worth noting the Islamic perspective on health and wellness. In addition to the conventional methods, there are also Islamic methods of treatment that have been mentioned in the Quran, authentic hadith, and by Muslim health professionals and famous classical scholars. In the Quran, cleanliness is given great importance, as exemplified in the verse, "Truly, Allah loves those who turn unto Him in repentance and loves those who purify themselves." Quran 2:22. This highlights the importance of maintaining cleanliness, especially when dealing with health issues like a stye. One method recommended by Muslim health professionals and scholars is the use of honey. In fact, Ibn al-Qayyim, a famous classical scholar, mentioned in his book, Healing with the Medicine of the Prophet, that honey can be used as a treatment for various health issues. As per his guidance, one can apply a small amount of pure honey to the affected area. Honey has antibacterial properties and can help in reducing inflammation and promoting healing. However, it's essential to remember that while these methods have been mentioned in Islamic teachings, they should not replace medical advice. As Dr. Ayesha Khan, a Muslim health professional, reminds us, while Islamic methods can complement conventional treatments, they should not be used as a replacement for medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider before trying any new treatment methods. So, while treating a stye at home, consider these Islamic methods in addition to the conventional ones. Remember, it's always important to consult with a healthcare provider before trying any new treatment methods. Ensuring cleanliness in our immediate environment is paramount, especially when dealing with conditions such as an eyelid stye. The renowned herbalist Rosemary Gladstar once said, "A clean, irritation-free environment is the best healer for the body." In light of this, it is crucial to gently cleanse the affected eyelid using a mild soap and lukewarm water. It is further advised to refrain from the use of contact lenses and the application of eye makeup until the stye has been entirely healed. As per a research paper in the Journal of Clinical Ophthalmology, lack of proper hygiene habits, such as inadequate cleaning of contact lenses, can greatly heighten the possibility of contracting eye infections like styes. On the note of irritations, resist the urge to squeeze or pop the stye. While it might be tempting, this can actually spread the infection. The last thing you want a bigger problem on your hands, or rather, your eye. For some additional help, you can turn to over-the-counter treatments. These might include pain relievers for discomfort, antibiotic ointments specifically meant for eye infections. However, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before applying any medication to the eye area. Now, if the stye doesn't improve within a few days, or if you experience significant pain, problems, or swelling, it's time to consult a healthcare provider. Sometimes a stye requires medical treatment, such as antibiotics, or even minor surgical intervention. So, there you have it. Warm compresses, gentle massage, keeping the area clean, avoiding squeezing or popping, using treatments if necessary, and seeking medical attention if the situation doesn't improve. Remember, while styes are usually harmless and often resolve on their own, proper care is important to prevent complications. Don't hesitate to seek professional medical advice if you have any concerns or if the condition worsens. As Imam al-Shafi'i, a respected Islamic scholar, once said, seeking medical treatment form of trust in Allah's wisdom. It is a responsibility we have to our bodies, gifts from Allah. After all, your eyes are precious and they deserve the best care possible. Stay healthy. As John Smith, a leading eye specialist at the Global Eye Care Foundation, advises, never underestimate a stye. If it doesn't improve within a few days, it's crucial to seek medical attention promptly to prevent complications.